Hey guys, I was doing a tutorial on Linux and connecting remotely today, and I noticed that something really weird happened. So when I clicked on my Windows Defender firewall and I clicked on restore settings, this is what happened. As you can see, I lost all remote connection to my PC because of that stupid mistake. So I started researching on how to fix it, and this is what I came up with. So stick around, we are going to do some troubleshooting on my Windows instance. So let me just log in into my Windows PC first. Let's do that right now. All right, as you can see, I have my OBS running here on my Windows machine, and I'm just going to click out of this, and I'm going to go into my command prompt like this, and let's do a little troubleshooting here. So the first thing I would do is always ping my router. So I'm going to ping 192.168.177.40. and you can see that it's pinging without any problems. You should always know your router's IP address. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ping Google, so google.com in here, and then you can see that Google is pinging, there are no problems. The next step I would definitely do, even though you see that there's a ping going into your router then into google.com, you never know if you have any DNS problems. So let's fire up the trace RT on your Windows machine real quick, and let's do a trace RT for google.com. All right, as you can see, I have no problems pinging. There are no problems with the routing either to and from the DNS server, so we're good in there. So the next thing I'm going to do is right click on the Windows icon and then run GPEdit.msc. And there you go. So what we want to do is take a look at the local group policy editor, and then we're going to click on Windows settings, then security settings, local policies, and then user rights assignment. Then we go all the way down and we can see that allow log through remote desktop services properties, and administrators are there as well as remote desktop users. So we're good on that front. Now let's get into the firewall. So go into the control panel and let's look for remote desktop connections. Allow remote access to your computer, and then when you click on remote, you'll see that I am allowing remote access, so I'm good in that front. Okay, so let's get out of here. Make sure you go into security settings and search for Windows Defender Firewall. There it is. And then in here, everything looks to be working. I'm going to click on allow an app or feature through the Windows Defender Firewall. And then I'm going to look for remote desktop. There you go. And now just click on change settings and then apply. Click OK. And now let's see if this works. All right, so now I'm inside of my MacBook and I'm trying the remote desktop connection. And yes, I am connected. Now there was another problem that was caused by resetting that feature. So now if you look in here, I have a shared drive, my NAS, and if I go back to my MacBook and I try to connect to that shared drive from my Windows, I get an error. There it is. Again, I went back to my control panel like that, and then went back to the Windows Defender Firewall to allow it access. And then sure enough, right at the beginning, we see file and printer sharing. I enabled that. And again, I went back to my MacBook, tried one more time, and worked without any problems. There you go, problem solved. Hey guys, if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you post them down below, and I hope to see you next time.